Out on the savanna, the predator is not always the one in control. A lone honey badger dares to challenge an entire troop of aggressive baboons. Can the honey badger's reckless survival instinct help it withstand the encirclement of dozens of enemies? Or will overwhelming numbers bring the challenger down? The animal fight night begins right now. On the plains of the Serengeti, there exists a fearless creature with a small body, but a reputation that makes even formidable predators wary: the honey badger. It attacks without hesitation. Yet its most terrifying weapon is its ability to release an extremely pungent odor that can leave opponents stunned and disoriented. The secret lies in two small sacs near the base of its tail that can turn inside out. Allowing it to instantly unleash a dense cloud of foul-smelling musk. Unlike skunks that must spray with precision, the honey badger disperses the scent fluid into the surrounding air, creating a wide zone of unbearable stench. When threatened, these glands release a wave of powerful musk capable of causing dizziness, choking discomfort, and immediate sensory shock to an opponent's sense of smell. This mechanism does not require precise targeting. Instead, it creates a chemical no-go zone, allowing the small animal to stage a dramatic escape from predators many times its size. The honey badger's chemical weapon can overwhelm the sense of smell of most predators. However, when facing baboons, that advantage disappears entirely. Baboons possess forward-facing eyes that create exceptional stereoscopic vision. This ability provides three major advantages: extremely precise distance judgment, the ability to detect even the smallest movements from far away, and accurate assessment of an opponent's direction of movement. In dense brush, baboons can spot a predator and closely track every action long before it gets within striking range. When the foul odor spreads close to the ground, baboons do not panic. They stand upright on two legs, lifting their noses above the cloud of toxic air while relying on their sharp vision to observe the threat. From there, they can easily coordinate with one another to surround their opponent. The honey badger has been wandering for hours under the scorching sun. Its stomach completely empty. It catches the scent of fresh blood from a young baboon. An inexperienced juvenile that has wandered too far from the troop while playing. To the badger, this looks like an easy meal, quick, clean, and effortless. But baboons are not solitary animals. They live in tightly bonded societies, where every member is part of a larger family. When the alarm call erupts, the entire troop reacts instantly. Not a single one runs. They gather together, their eyes locked on the intruder. One side needs food to survive the day. The other must fight to protect the next generation. The animal fight night erupts. The honey badger lunges forward, biting the young baboon while releasing its foul-smelling secretion to create a chemical exclusion zone. Its strategy is clear. Neutralize the enemy's sense of smell and shock them with sheer ferocity. Hoping to break their formation. But the baboons counter with a high-pressure siege tactic. Using their stereoscopic vision, they pinpoint the predator's exact position even within the spreading cloud of odor. They exploit their numbers. Taking turns charging in from multiple directions. The troop unleashes a barrage of attacks with their powerful forelimbs, forcing the honey badger to expose the softer underside beneath its armor like skin. The animal fight night is over. The honey badger is finally forced to retreat, its body covered in wounds. The troop of baboons has driven the enemy away, but the price is painfully high. The young one could not survive the fatal bite. On the savanna, there are no absolute victors. There are only those who know how to adapt, and those who stand together. The ultimate goal of nature is not victory or defeat, but the survival of the species. Every encounter is a calculation of risk. Sometimes the loss of one individual becomes a survival lesson for the entire group. Subscribe to our channel to witness the next unexpected animal fight night.